How to withdraw your winnings with PayPal on Caesars Sportsbook app. Firstly, open the Caesars Sportsbook app and log into your account. Locate your account balance at the bottom right of the screen, then click on it. This will take you to your profile page. From there, click the Withdraw Funds button to start the process. On the withdrawal page, select PayPal as your preferred withdrawal method. After selecting PayPal, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check that the email address listed matches your PayPal account and click Submit to confirm your withdrawal. You have now successfully withdrawn your funds using PayPal. Your money will be sent to your PayPal account, usually within a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the processing times. Now you're all set to enjoy your winnings and prepare for the next betting adventure. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.